In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your MetaTrader 5 settings. Ensuring that your MetaTrader 5 settings are backed up is a vital step in protecting your trading configurations, tools, and personalized setups. By doing this, you won't lose your important data, even if you happen to switch computers or experience a software issue. So let's dive into how you can do this effectively. First, you'll need to open up your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once it's open, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on FUT. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Open Data Folder. Once you do this, a File Explorer window will pop up, showing you all the data associated with your MetaTrader 5 installation. This is where your trading strategies and customizations reside, so it's important to know how to navigate this space. Now that you have the data folder open, the next task is to identify the folders you want to back up. There are several folders that contain different kinds of data, and it's crucial to know what each holds in order to make informed decisions about what you need to save. Let's take a look at some of these folders. The MQL5 folder is where you'll find your expert advisors, indicators, scripts, and custom libraries. These are unique to your trading strategies, so most users will definitely want to back up this folder. Next up is the Profiles folder, which contains your chart layouts and workspace configurations. If you've spent time customizing your layouts to suit your style, backing up this folder means you won't have to start from scratch if anything happens. The Templates folder is where your chart templates are stored. These are specific visual settings for charts and can be quite time-consuming to recreate from scratch, so it's a good idea to keep them safe. Additionally, there's the Images folder, which holds any custom images you use for charts or reports. If these visuals are important to your trading setup, consider adding this to your backup list. For those using expert advisors and scripts, the Files folder contains the necessary data files. Backing this up ensures that all your custom scripts continue to function as expected. Finally, while not essential for everyone, you might want to consider backing up the Logs folder. It has logs that can be invaluable for troubleshooting issues with the platform and your expert advisors. Once you have identified the necessary folders, simply copy them and paste them into a safe location. You have several options for where to store these backup copies. An external hard drive is a dependable choice, as is a USB flash drive. In today's digital age, you might also consider using a cloud storage service, which offers the added benefit of being able to access your data remotely. That's how you back up your MetaTrader 5 settings. By following these steps, you can trade with peace of mind, knowing your setups and data are safe and secure. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.